Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be showing you my mini haul for the month of October. And I picked up some real good makeup that's going around now, like the trend for this month. Um, the Disney Designer Collection from ColourPop. Now, isn't that so pretty? It's got all the signatures of the Disney stars. Now, I did try to get the Tiana lipstick, but all I did was refresh. I was there. I've been there on that page for like a whole week on that page. All I did was simply refresh my my screen because it was running kind of inky. And no sooner did I refresh it, then the lipstick was sold out just that fast. So I was like, all I did was refresh my screen. How can it be sold out that quick? It was gone just from refreshing the screen. So these are the colors that were included in it. So I'm going to swatch this one here, which is Thingamabob. And that's what that looks like. Get it up close for you. So, One Kiss, which has got my lights popping off of it. And the pigmentation in these are just excellent. Alright, let's go for Enchanted Rose. Look at the pigmentation of these colors. Great color payoff. That is just so good. So while I was there, I went ahead and picked up ColourPop's Super Shock Shadow. And I picked up two of those. So one is in the color of Be Our Guest, and the other one, so This Is Love. So I will swatch these for you guys. If I can get it open. My clean hand. That's what that looks like. That's a pretty, like, dusty rose. That's what it looks like. So This Is Love. These are like silky feeling. These feel so good. So that's the color of that one. Try to take my light off some. See if that works. Alright, let's take it a little bit more off. Right there. So while I was deciding to shop, I went onto eBay, which you can go on the site for W7, and I picked this up because I've been wanting to try this for the longest. So this is W7 Goldie Box. So let me swatch this one for you here. There's no name on these. Oh, it's on the back. Let's see, what name is that one? Candy Shop. Not that great a paid off. So I'm so glad I didn't pay a lot for this. I think I got this for under $7. And that's after I negotiated. So, okay, let's try this one here. Someplace on the arm to put it. Now that's a little bit better color payoff. These are not so pigmented by any means, but it will do. It will do. So I know this palette is old, but I wanted to replace the one that I got because I bought the other one on eBay and I did not trust it. So I decided to order one where I paid a lot more money for it, where I could trust it, and I went to Too Faced It website and did it. And I quickly learned the difference in them, and there is a difference. So one of the difference is the palette here, the whole entire thing is raised. On the one that I got from eBay, which was claiming to be Too Faced, only this part was raised. So all of it needs to be raised up for it to be authentic. Plus go to the site itself or to some place like Ulta or Sephora or Sally Beauty, if it's selling at Sally Beauty's. Someplace where you know it's going to be authentic. So these are the colors. And for those who haven't seen it already, I will swatch it. So I'm going to swatch Raw, however you say that. And that's what that looks like. I'm trying to get some color over here. Alright, so I'm going to swatch Best Friends. And that's like a dual color. You see it? So let me see, move my light better. So I decided to also pick up some Anastasia eyebrow definer, and I picked up 2 of these, and I'm currently using one. And so this is what it looks like. At one end is the pencil part itself. Now I had to learn a hard lesson because when I got it, I had the spoolie, so I couldn't figure out how to bring this part forward, how to bring it up. So I was down here moving this, twisting it, and it does twist at the bottom there for some reason. So I kept trying to twist it. So I finally had to decide to go to the top and start twisting the top in order to know. So for those of you that do not know how to do it, you turn this part up here on these type of things. So it took me a minute to get it, but I did get 2 of those, and I paid a pretty price for them. I got 2 for 1, which was a bargain. So I like that. But while I was on eBay, I decided to pick up some all control films, and I got this for 30 cents, I think it was, and I had to wait 2 weeks to get it, so it wasn't a bad price because I already had some that I was using. So I went ahead and bought some Maybelline Expert Eyes, the twin set. Now, how many people used to use these back in the days? This was real popular back in the 80s and 90s. You take a lighter and you hit the top of it with that lighter, and it would melt it, making it more palatable up on the eyes, and you would have some thick black lines that would be popping, making your eyes look real pretty. So it brought me back to my childhood, which I'm not saying what my age is exactly, because I'm just saying the 80s and 90s. That's not telling my age. And we used to use these. So I look forward to using this again. I think I'm going to gift one to my niece, see if she knows how to do it. And if she can't figure out what you're supposed to do, let her know. You hit a lighter to it, let that bad booger melt some, and you got some well-defined eyes. So also while on eBay, I picked up this cherry necklace because I already had the earrings, and I have a Juicy Couture purse that's in Charisse, or however they say it, cherries. So I wanted the necklace, the earrings, and the bag to go along with it. Now I need to get the outfit with the cherries on it, and I'll be bamming. Can't wear them all at once, that's just a cherry overload. So I also picked up some more Duo, the brush on false eyelash glue, because I was going through the other one. Now I'm the type of person, I didn't wear false eyelashes, and now that I'm of a particular age, I'm used to the fiber lashes, and that tends to make my eyes water. And then you got big clumps on your eyebrows. I mean, on your eyelashes. You have big clumps on your eyelashes. So it can look real messy up there because it's all clumped up. But it makes your eyes look really good and popping unless the person get right up on you and start like looking at your individual eyelashes. So I needed something different. So I finally decided I would try out false lashes. And ever since I've tried them out and learned how to put them on, like I watched so many tutorials and I still couldn't get those suckers on right. But I realized it was me. I kept thinking that they had to be directly up on the eyelash, and that made my eyelashes feel heavy and scratchy. When in actuality, it has to be above the eyelash line. So once I figured that out, I was like, yeah, I can do this. I got it down packed. I got it down packed. And it didn't become hard after that. So I've been going through the other one, so I bought a new one. So that will be all. And you guys, thank you for watching. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depends on when you're watching this, and God bless. Bye.